Hi guys! So, it's our second episode. Wow! So, it's Sunday today, again, weekend. And it's a Father's Day. And for Father's Day, dahil kami-kami lang naman yung nasa bahay ngayon, ang dinner namin, gagawin natin espesyal by having a steak from NW Palengke. By the way, you can buy lots of goodies from NW Online Palengke. Okay, so ito na yung ating steak. First thing that you need to do is pat dry natin ng kitchen towel lang ating steak. Dapat dry siya. Sa kabilang side naman. Okay, again guys, check out NW Online Palengke sa Facebook. Marami kayong makikitang mga products doon. Meron silang daing, sausage, mga longganisa, and marami pang steak. Marami rin silang mga fruits and vegetables. So, yun, check out NW Online Palengke. Sa aming ninong at ninang na si Ninang Jean Rachel Bugia. Okay, so after nating mapat dry yung mga steak natin, now is the time to season them. So, ang pag-season nito ay salt and pepper lang. So, I'm using Himalayan salt. Okay, next is pepper. After ng salt, pepper naman. So, lalagyan ko ulit ng salt. Ang other side, lalagyan ko ng salt. Okay, I guess we're ready to pan fry. So, I'm using a cast iron pan. Okay, now mainit na yung pan. Maglalagay lang tayo ng konting canola oil. So, that's enough. Spread lang natin sa buong pan yung oil. Okay, so dalawa muna kasi hindi kasya sa pan. So now, ilalagay ko na yung ating butter. Pero dito lang sa gilid. And then, another one dun sa kabilang side. So now, ikakabit ko lang sa gilid yung ating garlic. Nicely done! Since na-add na natin yung garlic kanina, pwede na nating ilagay din yung ating rosemary. So, yan. Lagay natin dito. Just to add a little flavor sa ating steak. Okay guys, dapat baliktarin nyo yung steak nyo every 1 minute. So again, ang pag-season ko lang sa steak is salt and pepper. And remember to pat dry your steak before doing the seasoning. Okay guys, sobrang bango ng rosemary at saka ng garlic. So guys, here is our ribeye steak.